condition 4, x plus y plus z minus 2 equal to 0, 6x minus 4y plus 5z minus 31 equal to 0, 5x plus 2y plus 2z equal to 13. You have to solve by matrix inversion method. First write the equations. X plus y plus z equal to 2. The 2 are right hand side together. 2. After 6x minus 4y plus 5z equal to no minus 31 right hand side plus 31. Then 5x plus 2y plus 2z equal to 30. Then find A matrix, X matrix and B matrix. A matrix. A is equal to all the coefficients. 1, 1, 1. Second row 6 minus 4, 5. Third row 5, 2, 2. This matrix is coefficient. Next is variable matrix. Capital X is equal to x, y, z. Then constant matrix. Constant matrix is 2, 31, 30. 2, 31, 30. Then write the matrix equation, right? This, but write in matrix form. A x is equal to B. A is first 1, 1, 1, 6 minus 4, 5, 5, 2, 2 into variable matrix. X, Y, Z is equal to constant matrix 2, 31, 30. Then find determinant A. Then find determinant A. Determinant A is equal to 1 into minus 4 into 2 minus 8 minus 2 into 5, 10, minus 1 into 6 into 2, 12, minus 5 into 5, 25, plus 1 into 6 into 2, 12, minus 20, minus of minus 20 plus 20. Then 1 into minus 18, minus 1 into minus 13, plus 1 into 32 is equal to minus 18 plus 13 plus 32 is equal to minus 18 plus 13 plus 32, 45 equal to 27. Not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse exists. A inverse exists. Now we have to find A inverse. To find A inverse, we have to find the cofactor matrix, then adjoint matrix. Adjoint matrix is the transpose of the cofactor matrix. Then A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. First Aij, cofactor matrix. Cofactor matrix. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, then plus, minus, plus. Then mother plus. Plus it 1 into minus 8, minus 10. Then minus of 6 into 2, 12, minus 5 into 5, 25. Plus 1, 6 into 2, 12, minus 20, minus of minus 20 plus 20. Then 6 for this plus, no, minus 1 into 2, 2 minus 2 into 1, 2. Then plus for this 1 into 2, 2 minus 5 into 1, minus 5. Minus for this element 1 into 2, 2 minus 5 into 1, 5. Then plus for this element 1 into 5, 5 minus 4 into 1, minus 4, minus of minus 4 plus 4. For this element 2, for this 2, 1 into 5, 5 minus 6 into 1, minus 6. For this element 1 into minus 4 plus minus 4 minus 6 into 1, minus 6. Then simplify. Aij is equal to minus 18 minus 13 minus 1 minus 13 plus 13, then plus 32. This one 0. This element minus 3. This element minus 3 minus of minus 3 plus 3. Then this plus 9. This minus 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1. Then minus 10. This is cofactor matrix. Then adjoint matrix. Adjoint A is equal to A cofactor matrix transpose is equal to transpose is equal to first column first row minus 18 0 9, second column second row 13 minus 3 1, third column third row 32 3 minus 10. Substitute in matrix equation, x is equal to A inverse into B. X is x, y, z. X, y, z is equal to A inverse 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. 1 by determinant A is 1 by 27 into your adjoint matrix minus 1809 13 minus 3 1 32 3 minus 10. Then write the quotient, multiply by quotient matrix 2 31 13 2 31 15. Now multiply x y z equal to 1 by 27 into minus 18 into 2 minus 36 plus 0 into 31 0 plus 9 into 13 9 13s are 170, then 13 into 2 26 minus 3 into 31 minus 93, 1 into 13 plus 13, 32 into 2 64, 3 into 31 plus 93, minus 10 into 13 minus 130. Then again simplify x, y, z equal to 1 by 27 minus 36 117 minus 36 is 181 plus 81. Then minus 93, 39, 4, 54, minus 54, then 337, 157, 157 minus 130 is 27, is equal to 81 by 27, 3, minus 54 by 27, minus 2, 27 by 27, 1. Therefore, x is equal to 3, y is equal to minus 2, and z is equal to 1. X is equal to 3, y is equal to minus 2, and z is equal to 1. That is the answer.